In this video by ABN Painting, we're spray painting a stucco wall, and we start our preparation work with masking. Usually we start prep work with moving gravel a few inches away from the wall and then pressure washing, but we stuccoed this wall a few weeks ago and the surface is very clean, it doesn't require any pressure washing, and the gravel we moved away before we stuccoed it. So we start by running 12-inch masking paper to cover the metal part of the wall and 1.5 inch green tape to cover the top of the wall. To mask off the side gate, we use blue painter's tape first. It has very little adhesive and it will help keeping the paint on the side gate undamaged. And then we're using 12-inch masking paper and green tape to cover the rest of the gate. There is a second gate at the end of the walkway, and we cover it with 12-inch masking paper as well. Across from the gate there is a small piece of wall that we need to spray paint, and around it we cover the house with paper. The walkway that is made of tile we cover with tarps. After we're done with masking, we start spray painting. Right now we're using Luxon Masonry Primer by Sherwin-Williams, and because it's much harder to cover the primer that is white, we usually ask the store to tint it towards the color of the paint that we're going to be using. So this color is just slightly lighter than the color of the paint that will go on top. After we're done with priming, we give the primer some time to dry before applying the paint. We apply it with the sprayer first, and then use the roller to back roll. When you back roll new stucco, the paint job will come out a little nicer. It will look more uniform. Whether we back roll or not depends on the customer. If somebody wants the job done the nicest way, and they don't mind spending extra money associated with labor and paint for back rolling, then we back roll. If somebody wants to save money, then we use only the sprayer. If you try to use the roller after the surface had the time to dry, you may leave some roller marks. To ensure even coverage, we don't wait any time and use the roller right after spraying while the surface is still wet. This is the look of the wall before we applied the stucco. This is after we finished with stucco. And this is after we finished with painting.